everyone, what's happening from SoCal, baby? Still in Southern California, hanging out, loving it, loving it, loving it. We're gonna go and get some cheap eats today. That's my thing, cheap eats. You can see behind me, we are in a lineup of vans, RVs, and just fellow van lifers here in Southern California. We're just loving it here. So I got all my hair cut off. You don't need to adjust your set, although I'm not ready to unveil it today because it's cold and I just got it under the hat. So I love it, and if you don't, always refer to the saying, if you have nothing kind to say, try to say nothing at all. We're going to get out today. So excited. We've been kind of cooped up. We did get some rain last night, which was so awesome. Loving to see that rain last night. I think we're going to get some more today. So I have been staying in various places that allow overnight camping. I'm not going to unveil my exact location, my exact beach, my exact anything. So please understand, when you ask questions, where exactly are you? You'll get a thumbs up, but I cannot comment on exactly where I am because I am a safe solo female traveler. Let's say good morning to River. River, you want to go get some cheap eats? Want to go to the beach? Let's go. River's ready. Let's go. Look at those seagulls. So cool. Alright, so we're going to cruise around. And cool motels here, surfside motels. Alright, we're going to turn down this street. Dogs everywhere. It's a husky. Look at all these dogs. I mean, everywhere, dogs. Is that a husky, River? Look at all these dogs. Right there. I'm just speechless, you know? There's no words. There's no reason for words, right? Right. It's a beautiful life. It's a beautiful life. I feel very alive today. It's so beautiful. It's so overcast. It's just magical. Let's go eat. Really famous place called Mike's Tacos. Unbelievable view. All right. And when you drive down it, all you see is the ocean like coming right at you. Super cool, baby. It's called coming out of your comfort zone and experiencing van life in all of its glory. All right, I got a fish tacos. Let's check out this little place. Super cool. There's the seating, so about 6 little tables. There's some free water. Nice. Look how beautiful the ceiling is. Beautiful. You want to be on YouTube? Say hi. Mike's Taco in Ocean Beach. All right. Thank you so much. All right. Thank you. All right. Looks delicious. Got 3 sauces here. So good. Want to give a big thumbs up to Mike's Tacos in Ocean Beach, California. They was out of sight. That fish taco was excellent. And they were very nice inside, and highly recommend when you're in Ocean Beach to stop by Mike's Tacos and get yourself an awesome taco burrito. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out in SoCal with me and River. We're just, you know, living our best life, trying to live our best life in our most adventurous life, and venture out when we're not comfortable, and just keep pushing the boundaries on living life with no fear and no worries, and concentrating on a happy, kind, free life. And it certainly is amazing. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we'll see you real soon, guys. Take care.